Okay, it's Luxury Fred, and I am exploring Rome today. I'm doing a walking tour with Walks of Italy, which is a company I've done tours with here in Rome before, and they're excellent. I did a Vatican tour with them, Vatican Museum tour, and a Colosseum tour, and today I'm doing kind of a walking tour of hidden areas of Rome, starting out here in the Jewish ghetto area, which is quite fascinating.
You know, it's a lot of hunting and poetry, music. It sort of felt like, you know, if you don't know which god to use, you use Apollo, really. But there were many temples around this area. Have a look also behind you, you can see here the synagogue. So now you can really get a proper impression of that square dome. But we'll see it once again later on. I'll point it out when we get to the Dominican as well. You know what, the best time to view Rome is certainly in the early morning. Nowhere around, pretty calm.
So doing this tour with Walks of Italy, exploring kind of the hidden side of Rome and walking in the area of the Jewish ghetto. And this is something called the Theater of Marcellus, which is an amphitheater that predates the Colosseum. I am exploring Rome on this very cool kind of hidden Rome tour with Walks of Italy. And you can see the Theater of Marcellus behind me as I trip and fall.